Young and beautiful women often want things that most men don't understand well. In today's video, I'll explain, based on research, what these women really desire and how you can make them happy and attracted to you. Ready to learn? Let's go. Number 1. Women want to feel genuinely loved. Many men forget this when trying to win over a woman. Even though they may seem strong, they need affection. Most men think that saying things like "you're beautiful" or "you look great" is the right way to show affection. But in reality, when you do this, a woman might think you're only interested in sleeping with her, just like other men. So, how does a woman want you to show affection? With a mix of physical touch and empathy. Studies show that touch helps create an emotional bond between two people, and when you show empathy, the love she feels for you can grow. If you really want to satisfy a woman's desire for affection, here's what you should do. When you greet her, hold her hand gently, look into her eyes, and ask how she's feeling. After a few seconds, let go of her hand and step back a bit. Choose a special moment to give her a hug or come up with an excuse to do so. When you hug her, place your left hand on her back and use your right hand to hold her left shoulder from behind. Do it all gently, without squeezing too hard. Show that you really care about her. When she talks about something, listen attentively, even if it seems small to you. Women highly value things that sometimes we don't notice. Ask questions that show you truly care and are interested in what she has to say. If you don't know what kind of questions to ask me in the comments. By doing this, you'll satisfy her desire to feel loved. Psychological fact number 2. They believe that if you take good care of yourself, you'll also take good care of them. Women look for a man who can protect and care for them, but for them to see that you'll be that man, you first need to show that you take good care of yourself. This isn't demonstrated just through words, but through real actions. A crucial aspect of showing you take care of yourself is your appearance, and women pay special attention to your face. The face is the part of the body they observe the most while talking to you. When your facial skin is well cared for, they notice that you care about your own health and appearance. Therefore, it's important to develop and maintain a daily facial care routine. Spend a few minutes each day cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin. This will not only help you look healthier and more attractive, but also show them that you make an effort to take care of yourself. This way, they will see that you are a man who knows how to take care of himself and, consequently, how to take care of them as well. Number 3. They want you to commit to them. Even though young women may seem like they only want something fleeting, deep down, many desire a long-term relationship. They might want to spend just one night with you, but at the same time, they expect you to offer the idea of something more lasting and special. You might meet women who don't show this desire right away, but if you go out with them a few times, you'll notice that they start looking for a more serious commitment. This happens because it's a natural desire for them. To satisfy this desire, show that your intention isn't just something temporary, but something more enduring. For example, if you go out for dinner or drinks, take the opportunity to suggest a next meeting, like a breakfast the following day. You could say something like, "I'd love for you to come to my place for a delicious breakfast." This kind of invitation shows that you're interested in more than just one night. There's no need to directly say you want to marry her, but your actions should show that you're thinking about a future together. Young women like to feel special and desired, but the illusion fades if you're too clear about your intentions. If you show that you're committed and interested in something long-lasting, she will want to be with you to explore that possibility. Number 4. They want to experience adventures. One of the most effective ways to attract a woman is to provide her with an adventurous experience. Women are naturally curious and have a deep desire to explore the unknown. Being more emotional, they seek experiences that can offer intense feelings and new discoveries. The idea of an adventure can be very attractive because it brings a sense of novelty and excitement. An unexpected outing, an exciting activity, or a trip to a new place can be a powerful way to capture her interest. These experiences not only create lasting memories but also help strengthen the emotional connection between you. Invite her spontaneously. Find an interesting or exciting event happening in your area, such as a show, an exhibition, or any other activity you think she might enjoy. The idea is to create an opportunity for an unexpected adventure. When you invite her, be spontaneous and let her decision be quick. Say something like, "I just saw there's a event name happening tonight. You have little time to think about it, but it would be amazing if you could come with me. This approach creates a sense of urgency that makes her act more on the excitement of the moment, rather than analyzing the decision rationally. The surprise and excitement of a spontaneous invitation can make the experience even more attractive and memorable for her. Generate mystery. Share with her an exciting experience you've had, something that was really fun or significant. It could be an outdoor adventure, an exciting event, or any other activity that was special to you. After telling her about this experience, mention that you're planning to do something similar soon. Say something like, "I recently did," describe the exciting experience, "and it was amazing. I'm planning something similar soon. Would you like to join me for an experience like that?" If she shows interest and says yes, take her with you to share this new adventure. Creating a bit of mystery and excitement will spark her curiosity and make the experience even more attractive and fun. Invite her to do something out of the ordinary. Propose an exciting and unexpected activity, such as a road trip with no specific destination. The idea is to create an experience that breaks away from the usual and brings a sense of adventure and discovery. You could say something like, "I'm thinking of going on a road trip with no set destination this weekend. The idea is just to hit the road and see where it takes us. Would you like to join me for this adventure?" This proposal will spark her curiosity and create an expectation of excitement and new experiences. When you suggest such a different and thrilling activity, she may find you very attractive for offering something so exciting and out of the ordinary. The expectation of living new adventures by your side can increase the interest and attraction she feels for you. Number 5. They desire a mysterious man. Women are naturally attracted to the unknown and the enigmatic. Mystery stirs curiosity and fascination, and they are drawn to men who offer a bit of secrecy and complexity. When a man is mysterious, he becomes a challenge for them, a puzzle they want to solve. This desire to discover something new provides a sense of accomplishment. Be reserved. Avoid revealing everything about yourself at once. When sharing something personal, tell only a small part of the story, leaving the rest open. This creates a space for the woman you're talking to feel curious and want to discover more about you. For example, if she asks about your hobbies, you might mention that you're interested in something specific but without going into many details. Say something like, "I really enjoy hobby, but there's something interesting about it that I prefer to save for a future conversation." This makes her wonder what else you have to say and encourages her to want to know more. By being reserved in this way, you create an aura of mystery that keeps her interest and makes conversations more intriguing and engaging. Learn to use your body language effectively. Your posture and nonverbal behavior have a big impact on how you're perceived. Here are some tips for using your body language effectively. Maintain an open posture. While talking to her, keep your hands and feet in an open position. This means keeping your hands visible and your feet shoulder-width apart. An open posture conveys confidence and receptivity, making her feel more comfortable around you. Make moderate eye contact. Look her in the eyes naturally and moderately. Eye contact is a powerful form of communication that can create a deeper connection and make her feel special. Maintain eye contact for a few seconds, then look away naturally to avoid appearing excessive. Convey confidence and mystery. While looking into her eyes, convey a sense of confidence. This makes her feel she can trust you. At the same time, maintain a touch of mystery. Don't reveal all your thoughts or intentions just through your gaze. The combination of confidence and mystery can be very attractive and keep her interest. By using these body language techniques, you can create a presence that is both trustworthy and intriguing, which can enhance your charm and attractiveness. When talking to her, make an effort to ask deep questions, as this will make her see you as someone unusual and different. If you're not sure what those deep questions are, ask me in the comments. Have a subtle sense of humor, as humor is intriguing when used in an enigmatic way, making a girl see you as an intelligent, mysterious, and very interesting type, which in turn makes her pay all her attention to you. Be enigmatic. When she asks you questions, respond in a way that sparks her curiosity and encourages her to want to know more. Instead of giving complete and detailed answers, offer responses that are intriguing and leave something up in the air. For example, if she asks about your future plans, you could respond, "I have some interesting projects in mind, but I prefer not to reveal everything just yet. I like to keep a bit of mystery. Or if she wants to know about an experience of yours, you could say, I've had something really fascinating, but I think you'll have to wait to hear the details. By responding this way, you create an aura of mystery and intrigue that makes her want to find out more about you. This desire to explore the unknown can increase her interest and attraction towards you. The key is to strike a balance between being accessible and maintaining mystery, so she remains engaged and curious to know more. So, to sum it all up, if you want to attract a woman and keep her interested, remember to be mysterious, offer adventures, and show that you care and are committed. Stay tuned, because these tips will help you create a genuine connection and make her want to be by your side. Keep the mystery, offer new experiences, and show that you're someone she can trust. That's how you'll win her heart. See you in the next video.